Hey, what's going on, folks? It's your boy Mill Hustles, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be talking about Straight Talk. Well, not Straight Talk. This is pretty much all prepaid carriers because this solution works the same for everyone. So let's say you buy one of these cards, for example. You go home and scratch it off, and then you accidentally completely scratch off the numbers. It happens, but there's no need to panic, I assure you. What you're going to do if you accidentally scratch off all of those numbers there is you're going to call customer service to whoever your carrier is. In this case, we got Straight Talk on a $35 plan. So you're going to call your carrier up, and then you're going to give them these numbers that are underlined right here. They're going to validate that the Airtime card is valid. And once they determine that the Airtime card is valid, they're going to go ahead and add the Airtime for you and problem solve. Now, it does happen occasionally. I do strongly recommend that when you scratch these off, you use a coin, like a dime or a penny. Try not to use a spoon. Try not to use a set of keys. Try not using your fingernails because these are actually pretty sensitive. So keep that in mind. If you ever accidentally scratch off the numbers, you're going to have a hard time trying to guess what was there because numerical sentences go forever. Just keep in mind that that underlined set of numbers there will save the day. And that's it, guys. If you like this content, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share. You have a good day or night or whenever it is you watch this. Peace.